Hi guys, welcome to PowerPoint Glamour. Today let's check out how to make this pyramid diagram in simple steps. So please stay tuned. Okay, let's start with inserting a trapezoid. Okay, put it here, right click, go to format shape, go to gradient fill. So if you see here, there is a gradient fill with two sliders right in the middle. So let's insert colors here, light on the left and a darker on the right. Okay, then duplicate this piece, put it on top, keep it a little smaller. Again, go to the gradient field. So make a note of these settings. So if you see here, there is two sliders in the middle. The left color is the lighter one and the right color is the darker shade. So these are the settings. It should be like this, and this is the direction. Okay, this is transparency, this is a position. Alright, so make sure you copy, duplicate these shapes and repeat the same steps. This is filled, another one on the top, the topmost. Okay. Alright, now we need a couple of triangles here right on the bottom. This will be the smaller one. Fill it with the darkest one. We need one more triangle, a bigger one. Okay, place it here. Now duplicate this piece, rotate it and make it smaller. And fill it with this color. Okay, and this will go below this. Send it to back. Do the same thing for the rest. Okay, done. Then insert this rectangle. We need to follow a few steps to make another shape. It's like an arrow. So let's see how to do that. So we have two rectangles. Place in this position. Then we need to subtract this to make the shape. Insert another rectangle here. Subtract it. I think we need one more here to give it that effect. Okay, then go to format shape, merge shapes and subtract. Alright, so this shape is ready. Then insert a triangle and place it there. Then insert a rectangle here. Go to format shape, gradient fill. So this is the setting for this gradient fill. So we have four sliders with gray, white in between and the gray towards the end. Okay, so place it here. Alright, duplicate these shapes, place it on top and then duplicate these rectangles as well. Place it here, here and here. Send them to back and arrange them. Okay, and then change the colors of these arrows on the left. Done. Okay, now we'll have to insert some text boxes here. Okay, let me arrange this. Yeah. Okay, delete this palette. Insert text boxes. and then the icons. Okay, so text boxes and icons done. Then insert the title. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. You have the free link in the description. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.